Alright, we're outside doing a repair real quick. Alright, we have to replace this, which is the axle. We broke it. We have a spare one that's already out of the package, but we're just giving you to show you number. Alright, so we're gonna pop this off here. Hold on a second. Alright, so we're gonna pop this off. Pop this pin out of here. Alright, put that there. Alright, don't mind me, I'm still a rookie yet. Doing these videos, but yeah, I'm a mess at the moment. We're doing this outside. It's pretty nice out, so we're gonna get a smaller hex here. So we get the small one right here. Alright, we're gonna do this. Pull this out here. So yeah, we're outside, stuff like that. So little sandies in there. That little pin over there. We'll pop this off here. Pop that back out. Pop this one out. Alright, we got the new one. We'll pop all this stuff back, stuff it in here. Pop all that in. Pop this in there. I have the washer that go, the washers that go in there, but I'm not gonna put them in there at the moment. So we get this even like that. And we get this little groovy thing in here. They get to kind of line up with that pin, and then snaps right in there. So this goes back in here. A little screw in there for the camber. We're doing outside where it's nice. It's semi-nice today. A little windy. Alright. Find my sting. But yeah, we're using a GoPro right now. I could probably. I set it up in the basement. I could have done, oops, this cross in it. Hopefully it'll fix itself. Tighten it up at night. Tighten that up. And we'll swap this out and stuff like that. Pull this over a little bit. Slide this right back up in there, and that. change the hex out. It's a little bit bigger hex. So we're gonna tighten this up. Alright, we got these crazy ass crazy thing, these wheels. They look like the ones from like a racing. So we got those. Just snug it up, and we're good to go. All right, thank you. Hopefully, thank you for checking out the video. So like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you for checking it out. All right, check it out later.